Hi, this is John Bryant with Thompson's Buick GMC Cadillac here in Springfield, Missouri. I wanted to show you a real quick how-to video regarding the newer infotainment systems in GM vehicles. At around 2013, the Cadillac introduced the newer system, and in 2014 into current, the remainder of the GM systems are offering this infotainment system. You'll notice that the radio favorites, I have 3 lines there. The reason I'm shooting this video is that I have many customers who inadvertently have this happen to their car by accidentally dragging the favorites up. So I'm going to show you real quickly how to resolve this issue. If you notice below the tune, there's a little arrow located about right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger on that arrow and I'm going to hold it there and drag. You'll notice that I can get it back down to just showing the 5 favorites in one line. However, if you mean to or want to show more favorites, hold your finger on that arrow and drag it back up however high you would like to. But anyway, I thought this would be helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call up here if you have questions regarding your vehicle and its many features. We'll be more than happy to help you.